In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from a class. Before you withdraw from a class, it's very important to talk with your academic advisor and with financial aid to confirm what the impact of withdrawing will be on your account. As withdrawing a class could cause a delay to your graduation or could change your financial aid for the semester, especially if you drop from a full-time status to a part-time status. If after checking in with those offices and confirming everything still looks good for withdrawal, you would start out by logging into Nest. Once on Nest, you would click your Register for Classes tab. Then select Register for Classes, Add or Drop, and then once more select Register for Classes. Select the term for which you are currently enrolled and would like to withdraw classes. Then you'll see your schedule summary. You want to locate the class from which you want to withdraw. You would then select Withdraw Course from the action options. At that point, you would hit Submit. The status for the course should then change and show that the class is withdrawn. If when you go to withdraw, you receive any type of error message and you're not clear on how to proceed, take a screenshot and send the message to your academic advisor who can look into the issue and give you advice on what steps to take next. And that's how you withdraw a class.